She's literally right ahead of us, it says.
If you want, I can go back east.
It's gonna drop right there. See how, look how low the scud is there.
Yep. That's where it would be.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's gonna do it right there. That may be a tornado.
That's a funnel.
It's definitely a funnel. It's got a ton of scud wrapped around it. You want to go east or you want to keep
Look at that thing, dude.
You want to go east or keep going north?
Probably would be best to follow it east.
Okay.
This road right here?
Yeah, right here. Dude, this thing is